Toast some bread, chop it, admire the beautiful labneh you made at home. So pillowy and fluffy. Smear that bad boy. Oh wait, does labneh have a gender? Maybe I should ask the French. They should surely know. And because you thought you didn't get a good shot of the first toast, you smear some more on the second one. And you top it off with some good golden honey. And whatever other things you want, nuts, seeds. And the other slice of toast with some za'atar. Oh, actually a lot of za'atar. And kids, don't pour olive oil directly from the bottle because this happens. Not that a lot of olive oil is bad, but then you have to clean the plate so it's ready for the next shot. But here's the next shot. You, in slow motion, place the labneh, za'atar and honey toast and then inhale it in less than 30 seconds. Enjoy! Hasta la vista, baby!